Basically what I'm doing today is using some steel wool, and I'm just going through and cleaning the calipers on the outside. I'm eventually going to be painting them silver, but for now I just want to get some of the excess grease and little spots that I've seen on them, get them off the way. I also want to clean off the rotors because there was a little bit of paint, protective paint, left on the rotor. The caliper, the pads have scraped it off, but there's still a little residue, so I want to get rid of that as well. So yeah, that's basically what I'm doing. Just steel wool, some brake and parts cleaner, and a little elbow grease to work on them. What I'm noticing is that this spot right here, if you notice, it's becoming a bit lighter than the rest of the caliper. So I'm gonna continue and see if I can get it down to like a silver like this, which is closer to the body paint of the car. Then if I do that, I actually won't have to paint it. I'll just polish them up every now and then, right? Instead of painting them, I'll just strip off all of the black or whatever this is on it, and then keep it with the silver look. Okay, so I've decided to use a sander belt, and what I've found is that there's actually silver under there. So I'm just gonna strip them down using the sander belt, and see what happens after that. Okay, so far this is the look. You can see the parts that have been sanded versus the parts that haven't been sanded. I'm still not sure about this look. I'm still kind of thinking I want to paint it silver, which would be like this or here, but it's kind of close. This is coming off a kind of more of a polished look, and I'm not such a fan of the polished look. But we're going to continue and see how far we go. I'm not sure how far I can go. I didn't bring any sandpaper with me because this wasn't the plan, so I don't have any sandpaper. I'm just using this belt grinder or this belt sander. But yeah, it's not exactly going as planned, but we're going to continue and see what happens.